If you fool, he'll just take you out, man. And he's a producer too. He's a producer of children in the Ashama. And he's the one we got our accent from. Our thank you accent. Thank you accent. You guys were laughing at. But you guys are laughing at Abraham Atame. Have you considered the English of Ghanaian footballers? Ghanaian footballers, they are English, man. Did you watch the Ghana-Mozambique match? After the match, Kabna Iyabwa, Sports Mugabe, he decided to interview one of the players, Jonathan Mensah or something. Hello, Jonathan Mensah, how are you? Oh, I'm fine. Okay, Jonathan, how did you see the game out? I didn't see it, I played some. Okay, Jonathan, I can see you are keeping in shape, you are so good on the pitch. What is your secret? Oh, I don't have a secret. Every morning, I just wake up and I run away. You wake up and you run away? Oh, yes. And the next morning, I run away again. You mean jogging? You can call it jogging, me, I call it running away. And then Pamela Boy should have stopped there. You continue to ask the guy, did you have any of your family here to watch you? Oh, yes, my 3 daughters. Both of them are girls. Where are they? Oh, they watch me from the audience. Audience? Oh, sorry, congregation. However, at this point, all of you would agree should have stopped, right? Now he went on to ask him, how about your parents? Were they here? Oh, I'm sad. This question has put me in a state of despair. Because my father is no more, but my mother is more. Oh, that was when I put my TV off. Hey! Shout out to Ghanaian footballers, man. You rock. And you guys are laughing at Abraham. I think it's good. I think it's good to have an accent. You know, they call it Lafa, locally acquired foreign accent. Or you can call it a locally acquired Foley accent, you know, your Foley accent, you know. But you know, that accent is good, but you should choose when to use it. Because picture this, it's a long queue, you are going to buy watching, and there's like, 10 people in front of you. You really want to jump the queue, and then go and buy your watching because your boss is calling you, you are late. Okay? So what do you do? Which accent do you think is appropriate? If you employ the J Foley accent, man, they will slap you. Be like, hello guys, I'm really sorry, I really need to jump the queue because my boss is calling me and I really need to jump the queue because I'm really late and I have to meet a deadline. Please, I just want to jump the queue. This is typical Ghanaian reaction. I will say that. Then one person responds, or see you want to jump the queue. Or see you want to jump the queue. And then you high jump, or see I come and jump the queue. And you know, Ghanaians can insult. If you really want to know how Ghanaians can insult, go to J Foley or Leslie Bill's wall and then read the comments under the apology letter. Someone actually said J Foley's head was like a T-junction. How on earth do you explain that, man? Apart from the insult, now J Foley has to stand in the mirror and imagine his head like a T-junction. You know they see like T-junction too. Ghanaians can insult. But in this same scenario, okay, imagine you have this accent. You're in the queue and you're like, hello everybody! Allah. The queue is so tall, I want to jump to the queue and go back my watching. Do you want me to jump to the queue or you want me to blow myself up? I am from Buchi, I'm just having my national service there. Typical Ghanaian reaction. What's it there? Buchi Haram. Oh boss, I can't say, listen. Boss, that's a typical reaction, you know. And Ghana is fun, you know. Ghana is fun. These people, they are having fun. I just want to clear this prejudice, you know. Most of you have this idea that every Muslim is a terrorist. No. That idea is not true. Not every Muslim is a terrorist, and not every terrorist is a Muslim. You understand? You can say because you can't say that every Voltarian is an NDC person. You can't say that. And you can't say that every Ekriadonko is a rich. I mean, you can say Ekriadonko is a rich, but you can't say every person called Ekriadonko is a rich. You understand? Yes. Because I believe we are Christian terrorists. Just that we don't take them seriously when they want to blow themselves out. But my uncle as a terrorist is like, and young man of me is a person with plastic who is with you. Person plastic who is young, or back, I don't go with you, Sunday last year. They'll never take you serious. But I think we have Ghanaian terrorists. We have Christian terrorists. Most of you know them. Christian terrorists. We call them Jehovah's Witnesses. Those people can frustrate your life to accept Christ as your personal savior. If they can't give us, I want to share the gospel with you. What? No, not today. Okay, I'll come tomorrow. Tomorrow they are there. If you don't accept it, they'll give you a paper, and most of you use the paper to shake. But that is not the point. That track they give you again. Those of you use it to shake. God is watching you. And Jehovah's Witnesses are so resolute in their gospel. I love it. God bless them so much. A round of applause for them. Yeah, it's just keep on doing whatever they're doing. But the fact is that they are terrorists. Because we're in the house, we are playing songs, we are enjoying boom, boom, boom. You know how kids run out of the house. We'll be in my bed. And we are having fun. And then my mom sees them coming from afar. You know they have a signature. You know they have that cap and a bag. And now one woman and then the small boy they are training to be terrorists like them. They are coming like this. The sun is watching them. They don't care. That is Christianity. They come. They knock. Fuck off. My mom like, hey, obey. They want my father now. And then the whole house, we are quiet. Don't even know. Hey, come on. The whole place is quiet. They, instead of them going like, my mom will be like, obey. Go ahead. He's like, and you'll be like a son. I'll be like, power a radio. I'm like, what's wrong with you? I love them. They should just keep on being there. I dated one lady, she was a Jehovah's Witness girl. She was sweet. Apart from giving me toilet paper, she was also very nice and I enjoyed it, you know. Just that we had to break up. But she was too sweet. Anytime she sees me in a cup, she'll be like, oh, I love your cup. Then she takes it off and puts it on her head. And you know, ladies, when they take off your cap and put it on their head, they look so cute in it, you can't just take it back. She did it to me so many times, and then one day I met her, I was not in a couple, but she was looking so cute. She had this ribbon on, she looked so cute. I was like, hey, Adra, I love your ribbon, and then I took it off. And I put it on my head. And then to spite, I was like, oh, she said I disgraced her, she slapped me and then left me. I don't have a girlfriend anymore. But what is it about ladies and your discussions? I was eavesdropping on some ladies' discussion and it was epic. This is what they were saying. One lady was like, Kwame is broke. Kwame, I'm the one who pays for his rent. I'm the one who affords everything for him. Kwame. Another lady was like, then why are you still with him? And this was the answer she gave me. Oh, you should see his bull and calf. I did not know bull and calf. I mean, you also don't know bull and calf, right? And then the other lady helped me to understand. She was like, okay, how is it? How is it bull and calf? This is how they live. It's like straight, but it's not like straight. But I care for it. I go straight. I swear, Kwame bull and calf, the whole gang. That was when I got to know he was talking about the boys wiser. This is my own quote. Ladies, the only reason why your unemployed boyfriend is so good in bed is because that is all he does for a living. Or you can quote me on this. The only reason why he's so good in bed is because that's all he does for a living. Once we don't employ people like at work being stressed out, working, doing typing and all those stuff, that idiot is in the house missing concussions. And then we'll be testing at work, adding them in the wire and we'll put them in. He's thinking of the stars to give you, like yesterday, give them on your mask. You know on your mask? The lady does it. If you want me, like give them. I'll give her frozen chicken. Frozen chicken, you know frozen chicken like?
I do.
Oh, frozen chicken.
I like him.
I know when ladies realize that the guy is broke, they can mess up. And the guy cannot leave them. Because that's what the guy has, man. He can't afford to. I mean, when the lady goes, that's all. So the lady can frustrate the guy. The guy is so angry that, hey, Adrian, you're a major, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The guy apologizes for the lady's mistake. But it's a different game. It's an entirely different game when the guy is hot. You know, he has his ride, he has a Range Rover, he has a flat screen, his room is full of air conditioning. You know, he has a small swimming pool at the backyard. You know, he has like a small dance mansion. You know, the guy doesn't care, man. He doesn't care. Then he can do anything he likes. The lady will be like, Kwame, you're frustrating me. Kwame, you're frustrating me. And then get to a point, the lady's like, okay, Kwame, maybe I can't deal with this anymore. You think I'm here with you because of your car? You think I'm here with you because of the swimming pool? You think I'm here with you because of the flash screen? I'm going. She pays her back to that. Then she remembers, no, now she's going to pick trucks rent already. Stop that. Come on, put on the TV and then watch that camera. Ghanaian ladies, man, you guys are sick, man. Round of applause for Ghanaian ladies. When you compare Ghanaian breakouts with foreign breakouts, it's just epic. A white lady will meet her boyfriend cheating on her. I need a lady to do this. She's a Bovi. It's a round of applause as I go. You can't continue that. Come on. Oh, come on. A round of applause for that sweet lady. Oh, that was come on. I don't have time. Can you? Yeah. Oh, I chose the right one. Oh, this is like John the Baptist asking Jesus, are you sure the one coming or you should wait for the other one? This is the right one. A round of applause for her as she comes. I'm just using it for a scenario. Man, it's sweet, man. Please, this is comedy. Somebody has written at the back of his car, Akpororo with the limits. Because of you don't understand, playing has the limits. Okay, so the lady comes to meet the boyfriend cheating on her. White person. She's like, oh my God. And she doesn't even watch it. She's like, oh God. No, I can't believe it. And you can't believe it. That thing is happening, so you can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm telling you, really cheated on me. She goes to the house and I'm going to kill myself. She goes to the house. And then the boyfriend is like, oh my God, I messed up. Oh my God, I messed up. Hey, you, get out. Get out. You made me cheat on my girlfriend. Get out. Get out. And then he comes out, he's so remorseful, he buys flowers. Behind his back. Now ball. Okay, get angry. Get angry like a white lady. This is where you come in. The rest was my joke. This is where you come in. Yeah, so get angry like a... Haven't you been angry before? Nobody has. I mean, nobody can break this body. Yeah, ball. He just ball. Yeah, she's born like a white lady. This man. Oh my God. Go, he just go. Then the guy comes, he's like, close your eyes, lend me your hand, darling. Now do you feel my heart beating? You belong with me. Do you feel the same? Oh, my only dream. The lady like, Ghana. The lady comes to meet you. How come you have a chair capacity? How would you say you have to have that follow code here? Let her win. I'm going to win. She won't take her eyes off the apartment. Well, but to pass, yeah, we're good at that. And then instead of having to stop and, go, I'm like, I'm not sure. Look at me. Ghana man. Look at me. And this girl there. And this is the song that Ghana man will bring.
No wonder. Guess the boy swapping. K1 freestyle all day. Some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
Got more flows, life really good, maybe you don't know, here the super stay low, we have got glow, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good, winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose, had to choose life, yeah, I need a good pose.
Now maybe this. Chai, I don't come out. Good evening, everybody. My name is Jacinta Wakansi and I'm a Nigerian. I'm Ghanaian sometimes, I'm Nigerian sometimes, depends on where money is. So, hey, pardon me. I feel they speak some kind of things. Just pay attention. DKB, I want to advise you. Stop dancing. You're terrible dancer. You come here, come and shake. Only your head will move. Don't come here, come dance again. Stop it. Please, everybody, put your hands together for Abraham Atta. He has done Ghana very proud. Very proud. I mean, that boy has proved that they lied to us. Education is not the key. I feel very stupid right now writing my final year projects. The only Oscar I know is David Oscar. Oh! The boy said he will now act Ghana film. At Oko, not by force. How many Ghana film John Domelo act? You don't see us talk of car. Have you seen our movies? Have you seen our movies? I know say I don't get sense, but when I watch our movies, I give myself hope. Very, very well. If you say that for Ghana, then act Beast of No Nation, you would have seen a live beast in the movie. Stupid, graphic-looking beast that will fly. Have you seen our movies? You see white people movie, you see accident scenes. Very on point. When person will get accidents, he will get accidents. To get accidents, go hungry you. You just see sports car go just they move, swerve. Before you know, trailer from nowhere go come somersault, fly over the sports car. Nothing will scratch, the driver will still the drive. And I wonder, oh, you God, which kind of God they get? And then after all that, the car will somersault, the car will catch fire still. The driver will survive. Which kind of blood is flow from your veins? And then, I think that is not enough. In less than 5 minutes, you will see ambulance. They'll come carry you, put you, and you are safe. You don't go die. Our movie, in the first instance, our accident scene, they very vex. Number one, you go see Jackie Appiah stand by the roadside. Very narrow way, no be highway. Van Vinker go on the drive. No be top speed though. It just they move gently. The next thing, Jackie Appiah stand this, she no cross so. Immediately she sees the motor they drive, they come, now she go enter road. You have seen the car is coming. What do? Is it not to run along? She will stand, face the car. You don't care? You dey mad? And then, I sit down on my room. You will see her. The motor go do, stop here. You don't touch her more. The motor bleeding from her ear, nose, mouth, eye, teeth, tongue, everything is bleeding. So now after salt on injury, my sister go to hospital, now her head then go bandage. How far? How? And then, you see our accident thing. There's nothing like ambulance. Who be ambulance? The motor will jam in and go carry you hospital. That's why I dey pray for my life. Father Lord, as I dey come out, even if na motor won't jam me, make Lamborghini jam me. If one nonsense car no just won't jam me, I no go take her at all. At least even if I go die, I die, better die. And then another thing about our movies, you see when somebody wants to die, especially an old person, your mom or your dad, white people, they die, they don't disturb you with their death. Why? They just like, oh, we lost my mom, she died peacefully in her sleep. Simple, just die and go. Heaven, look at it, go. Our movies, if person never cough, he no go die. You will see our movie, Ghana and Nigeria, the same thing. Typical Nigerian movie. That's one die. Mama, I know you want to die, just die. They can disturb too much. You see why people think when you are watching the movie, soundtrack is sweet. Sometimes you don't even hear people singing, you just hear musical instruments, and it's interesting. Look at Game of Thrones. Well, even Obama they watch Game of Thrones. Have you seen that movie? Very beautiful. That series is lovely. You watch it and the soundtrack is just lovely. Imagine say they shoot Game of Thrones for Nigeria. They won't put soundtrack. And then you go hear Sister Ngozi voice from you. When Khaleesi is coming out with her dragon, you will hear Khaleesi's voice. Sister Nkechi. White people, witchcraft, sorcery is real. When you see witchcraft in white movies, you don't go ever try to offend the person. Here, our witches are always happy. When you see a typical witchcraft scene, they're in their coven. You go see them, they're like, ha! Before you destroy me, I'll break you to pieces. It's disturbing, man. Ramata, don't act our movie. Just stay where you did. Stay where you did. I beg. I have a Nigerian mom, so I grew up in Nigeria like for the better part of my life. I don't know whether the one that's made is better, so I guess I said better part of my life. And then I came to Accra a couple of years ago. And then my dad was trying to school me. I know they listened. Then one night, I was coming from an event at the National Theatre. And then I got robbed. I was standing there. I think say Lagos thief, they thief. Now when I come Ghana, I don't say no signs. Ghana thief, I don't bale for you. Hey! They know they stress you. This guy walked up to me. He no carry gun. He no carry knife. He just came, picked my phone from my hand and ran away. The disturbing thing was that this guy get bow leg. Me, with my legs straight, I pursued this guy, I no catch him. And so because of that, I decided to get myself a brand new phone. So I called one of my colleagues, a fellow comedian. I said, guy, don't pick me like joke for this Ghana. Ghana safe, Ghana this, Ghana good. They don't rob me. I won't buy a new phone. And then my friend was like, oh, Samsung is a good phone and all that. You see, there is this part of Accra. Pay attention. Jesus, when I know go catch me today, I go kill this show finish. Uboa. I went to circle again. I said, this time no be Samsung. Those Samsung people, it be like say their package, will give me iPhone. And then they give me iPhone, everything they work. The eye they work, the phone they work, the iPhone they work. And then when I got home, waiting my eyes see, this one my mouth go talk. I put on my iPhone and then you see that apple where they the back, they never chop them. They don't chop the apple. Straight full apple from the garden of Eden. Brethren, that one no do. I say okay, make the apple wait. As I on this iPhone, the iPhone get radio, get antenna. Now there I respect her crown. I respect her crown. Brethren, that's my time. I'm actually, happy to be here tonight. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
No wonder. Here's the boy swagging. K1 style out there. Some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
Got more flows, life really good, maybe you don't know. Yeah, that's if I stay low. Me, I got dough, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to true life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes. Close to test and try, it would come separately. Tied up with the moment when I live a level obviously. Mom is gone, she got me hustle so I eat. But I know one that's all gonna be victory.
And then right after her, we are flying into Nigeria, a country less powerful than Ghana. The country we won independence before they did. A country as broke as we are. A country as rich as we are. A country as frustrated as we are. The only country with 3 colors in our flags, but there's only 2 colors. Show some love for my senior brother inside Nigeria all the way to Ghana. Buchi, looking fly, super dope. Show some love for Buchi. Show some love, show some love.
What's up, GH? What's up, GH? She. It's good to be back. Ghana without three. Shed some love, GH. She. I just came back from my tour in Lagos. Came back with an American accent. She. I want to talk to a million of us. If I bite my tongue for Ghana, and for news, they say, I'm public comedian, but you bite the tongue for stage in Ghana. It's good to be here, though, you know. You see one thing about Americans, well, first of all, the other American musicians, they go perform, they go to read their things, food. Not the apple for Africa. We pull our things with a keeper. And with the man who we give. DJ, do you work with us? Well, you give me your number and address, please. And so this when they perform. Peter, carry jacket away for grab. None of us na pour jacket to away. I'll be small quarrel. You try to bring that break up. I can tell you, man. But it's good to be here, man. And I just know that Nigeria and I change the effect. Everything they go up, dollar they go up. Like saying at this time, they want to say Jesus, if you have to sell, because the dollar rate. And for price tag, everything is going up, man. She. There's no time to say she no more. I dress like that to go Yankee, I don't understand. Ghana hot, too hot for this jacket actually. I set myself up. Very soon I'll be like someone stepping out of a microwave.
Well, we did there, we died there. I'm not going anywhere. But see, everybody, I never love the dance down. I never like that. Yeah, it's there. You know, man. She, it's pop it. Yeah. Now people will not get angry. I start to dance. Inside club, they don't get angry. Just the dance. So see it. You will not see for this club. Now, so that's why they call it dab. That's the truth. That's the true story. Dab. Now people, people like cripples. Now people will not get hung. They're just stranded. They're not be dance. They're going to beg people. Let me dab. I beg. You dab your dab my dab. But see the thing. See the kind of dances Americans bring. Easy dance. You don't even sweat. You do the dance. Hey. 3 hours they dance. I don't know why we Africans, anything, our dance, we get die. We just get to kill ourselves. But no one the best rich Nigerians. If we see anything, we take it to the next level. Anything at all, we take it to the next level. Not be Ghana, as not to start. Soft and simple, the initial time. Before I reach Lagos. Plenty has not to beat for me. I come Ghana when the dance first start. I just say, man, this dance is nice. See, Ghana is a type of club. Then the dance, nobody they blow anybody for eye. You don't be dancing on your spot. Your girl on her spot. And I just do, you know. Wait. My sister, you not go sit down one place, though. I don't know girls not dressed fine, they can piss. This guy go piss fish 12 times today. Please say you get bladder problem, you not go sit down one place. No, girls people are very vain. Because you wear shoes. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Excuse me. They'll go back to, hope they notice me. Now let me go back. Excuse me, please. Excuse me. You go use peace to yourself here today. Don't worry. Don't sit down one place. I don't know girls, when I get problem of peace, I get always peace together. I don't know why. Now the plan on that peace. It's okay, is your peace ready? Sonia, Cynthia, where's my peace? Because boys not a peace group. I don't know, just imagine I want to peace. I said, Akpororo, you like peace? Alpha, okay, you want peace? I will go peace. They could avoid you, but that guy, they suspect him. That's why they like to peace with fellow men. That's the one place. And guess what? They peace in group. If you keep any guy here, you carry more than one girl. And your matter they discuss. Girls are heartless. They're not go peace now. They go to judge for mirror. I don't understand though. Have you noticed his shoe? You know since we got for us a cigar. This guy will frustrate us, so we better look for someone else. We didn't say, baby, where are you guys? We just went to pop our nose. Now your career, they go further. And my guy, they laugh. You listen as these guests they bring. I spoke on his behalf. Play something for me. When you start time, can you have the dance now? They're not the fight. Don't fight. And the dance come Lagos. Nigerians take the dance to another level. If you play beats like this for club for Lagos, plan first of all, I say, hey, sing loose. Make way. Hey, where now? Hey. We must lose power to our team. Stress. That's why now, every Nigerian musician, wait, I see where I was for the camera. No, the jacket been there, make I use that for a while. It was very expensive. Me walk the walk. I will bear the burden. But nobody send me message. Every Nigerian musician, once you have a song, you must put dance. That's the very thing. YBNL. Shakiti Bobo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Shoki. 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 Every musician want to dance. MC Galas, they don't sing. Oh yeah, second. And the problem with Nigeria, once they hear it, they take a person back, especially if they struck them. How to dance the dance for your song. Then the class says, oh yeah, one hand for your waist. You go see people go gather as if they're there for rehearsals. Tony, stay from, not they take my space, I beg. That club we take. One hand on your waist, one hand on your chest. Oh yeah, second. The problem now is if you and your girlfriend, they dance. And she dance, go this side. There's a problem because there's no way you can dance back. On only one side, they dance go. So that you can say, baby, remain there, they go still change the song. Now some like guy, he enter show, he don't get money for tickets. He just don't enter show, beginning of the show, just the connect wire. Show starts, just begin dance, no boy, see groove. Oh yeah, second, now his head scatter. Second. He passed the first bouncer. Second. Pass police. Second. Pass army. Second. Now I remember saying no get tickets to enter. That's okay. Second. I think for this preach. And I say, hey, where's your ticket? He can't explain. But it's like you don't remember me again. Not too long, I just second. I just want to second back in. We must dance. Every musician at the front dance. Apart from Corey de Bello. God do win. The guy dance on dance, nobody dance ever. If I feel like they do conversion. Nobody answer. I only got the dance this dance on the song. I say, idiot, you know before. Who you want stress? All our things now power. See, you understand? Do you have Bobby Smoother? Find out. And go to Google or Facebook, just see a popular song. When I die a day. No wonder all these Ghana comedians, they carry water on stage. They know say na fire they come. And they know the advice was when they visit us. But they tell us that, so why are you going to stage? You need water and ice. What? You don't say, wait, you get my phone, on your Bluetooth. But see, just play the American song for me. See, Americans, I didn't like to go to that dance. It's easy, they don't like stress. Damn. Shit. Play any song when they play for America, not me, anyone at all.
Don't you open up that window.
Yes, this is America.
Don't you let it down.
Inside club. They're not taking themselves.
It's no key at the night show. So don't you open up that window.
I dance with that. Ila. We. No, we need to blow somebody. Let's Maya for me, sample. Hey, my sing group. Hey. That's of all we Nigerians. Would they like use every part of our body now? Hey. Wait, thank you, my brother. You're a good man. You know, say if I collapse, they will say that witchcraft. Thank you. Please, are you part of us? I know there's a package, you know. Packaging like Santa for you, we're saying, let's go. Father God, I give you praise. Deliverance is real. I tell you, I love it. You see, in my country, we believe in God. Because if the economy hits you, you go look for God. The way the economy had now, Muslims, they don't ask Jesus for help. Can't even like Jesus. And die with it. You know, when the economy don't hook us for neck. Before big boys they enter club, you hear champagne. Will. Now, big boys they don't enter club. Shit, how are you? So what do you want? Just give me cigar too. I don't have light at home. I just want to watch the match. He had for everybody. I said just recently, they start going to give us 40 million. Our pastors in Nigeria, they took it to the next level. Say they sack person, they pay. Pastors not believe you. They come to next Sunday, if you see message. Some of you here are praying for promotion. Shut up! Take your prayer. Pray for sack. People first they wonder, how? Mourinho was sacked and the Lord shocked him with 40 million pounds. I got the word whether God signed up for yes. God surprised him with 40 million naira. And you are here praying for promotion. Pray for sack. See the food church. Father, sack me. Sack me. Sack me. Sack me. Sack. Wow, I resign. I quit. Now look at the son of us. The company where they quit from. If you work for NEPA, lights, and you resign, they'll give you 4 candles. The economy, and the thing I don't like about our pastors, when you go to pray, they go to tell you they shout. That's it that you pray again. Open your mouth and pray, you pray, Father God, but I can't hear you. God, they hear pastor. Open your mouth and pray. You will say, Father God, we need to pray. Shout! I can't hear you. Now you will pray it. God may complain. You can't hear you will ask our prayer. Not only pray it the year now. If our voice crack, I will ask God for prayer point 20 times. No, they shout for our country. What? Nigerians will love to shout. If Nigerians whisper to open, you know what did happen? They don't happen. I whisper to that too. No, that's how we whisper. Why is it Nigerians? We get some games where they know they play for Nigeria. We can't play cricket. You know what it means? We all give angry Nigerians big mood. Say no, they play game. We don't do quick. Rep, we don't blow. Wait till you blow. Wait till you blow. You don't know what's the game. Wait till you blow. Any game where they use wood, they will not plan for Nigeria. We're not play baseball. Why would they worry now? They look my back. Golf when they use pole, only big men they play. Because if you buy one golf, when they gonna golf bat, I don't have pole, I don't have. If you know what to spend, you're not going to take a 530. That's the country we live in. I can't come down, I can't hear people they complain. Oh, the economy is hard, the economy is hard. I can't they wonder. One night they collect our hardness. One night they try to take our hardship. Dollar go up here too. Dollar not go up, baby. People when they shout now, people when they never even know how much dollar be now. Now girls, how you go? Now girls know the exact amount dollar be any day. If you didn't argue dollar rate, call any of your girlfriend. Hello baby, how much is dollar now? 450. Girls too sharp. Well, that's the truth. Girls are sharp. But wait, I won't drink tea. I tell you I won't drink tea now. Really want we call it. This kind of condition I did sleeping on top for me. You not get hurt. Girls too sharp. You never, you know, before when you go to an ATM, big boys, they spread. Bing, 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 bing. Now, excuse me, do I know you, please? Please, go back, my young man, go back. I don't know you. I'm trying to hide my pain here. Please, excuse me. Look, I'll do it to you here. I said shift back. Tio. The ATM just split money. Everybody pick up for grab. Guess you shall. A girl standing behind you for the sound of the machine, she know how much you collect. It cannot be winter. I'm not letting they calculate. They just listen. Watch, sit tight. Just listen. That's 5. That's even money. Me, if girls they for queue and they die here. And they spread. Bing, order. Bing. Then I shift back. Hello? No, I just want to pick up some change for the weekend. No, just a few things. Buy water for free, you know. Okay, Mike, call you back. As they come back, and the girls will come. Oh, are you a nice guy? Wait the money, I don't collect all the money. I greet them, collect phone number. I go straight into the banking hall, pay everything back. Into my class, go come out. The grace. We'll scam ourselves to death. Lagos na land of scam, my brother. We not give up, bro. Everybody na scam. Because we don't know who gets, we don't know who not gets. Everybody package. And because price tag na 400 now. Iron your shirts to spread. Lagos na people they wake up angry. Nobody offended, they just vex. And then they trek, they come see you for your jeep for traffic. They'll call this man. The rich also cry. Because then they go use the traffic. They be vex. And see, Ghana not get traffic now. I don't get traffic. No, that's not traffic. You don't get traffic 18 hours for one spot. Traffic. You go drop my brother for airport. The traffic go America 13 hours. He called me when he don't land for New York. Bros, I don't land, I still get traffic for my brother. Another near house. Lagos traffic, you go sweat, you can't lose weight. Nobody they jump. No, just enter traffic. When heat don't torture you, you can't dry up. But you know the people are respecting Lagos traffic. Those hawkers. Because just as you know your work as a banker, those hawkers, they know say, now I work with this traffic, we know when it will clear. You will just enter, you are feeling pompous, it will deal with you. You just come to AC type. The first come your class with gala. Gala. But the thing of it provoke you. Now your cost spread right now. Are you mad? Are you mad? Can't you see my car? Do I look like someone that will eat gala on this hot afternoon? Let me come and get away from here. The guy said, bros, you never reach fights. We did. Now, 3 hours later, you still there where you did. Only you, your fuel don't they come down. They come off AC, off radio. I see the radio, they receive the fear. Now you come wind down. Now they got to get direct access to you. They come now slowly. Gala. Alpha. This time now, your condition don't change, hunger don't set in. So now you can't shout, young man, I'm not here for Gala. Embarrassing me. Take your Gala, get away from there. I'm idiot. The guy will say, bros, don't worry, but he will tell you. We still there. 5 hours later now, you don't for your seat, go back. Now you know they talk, you go just the pass. Just a wave the Ghana. Now you, out of shame, you can't bring your voice down. Gala. See the back. I can't talk, how to kill you, talk. Gala, princess, I beg princess. Bring your water to us. make Lagos traffic blow. Lagos traffic, they kill our governor siren. Ole governor na dey shout, na me, make way. And the funny thing, you know, like when you travel abroad, if you hear ambulance, nobody they tell you, you just come off a road. You just give way. Lagos. I said, where did you go? Where did you go? Come pass, look at see now. Let me be fool now. I said, remain there. The guy will say, oh God, when I fly. When they go, we the guy don't die, they're alive. He don't late, now we the hurry, live there. He did. That's the way they pregnant, we not labor, me not pass Lagos traffic. You're born for them. You know how many things they don't born for traffic. So that the traffic, they don't want another one. Hey, traffic baby. Man, as giddy pumping. Economy is tough. You all see girls now, they never travel. For Lagos, all of them get British accents. Where British embassy they don't know. Oh my gosh, it's bloody hot. It's a bloody hot in Lagos, it's bloody hot. It's bloody winning. Oh, bloody blanco. Oh my gosh. And then they answer, they carry the go club, they give the tequila. Alcohol brings out the real you. After 6 shots, my brother, I don't suffer. I mean, they do, oh my gosh, for real, nigga, for real. My brother leave. Wrong repeat, he goes speak Chinese for these niggas. Lagos, everybody must car. You see, girls in Lagos, they don't have car, but they know every function for every car just by looking at what? The car key. They're so sharp. They just enter club, see your car key. Oh my God, is that Range 2015 limited edition? You're shocked. How did you know? Oh, I'm into cars. If girl tell you I'm into cars, let me say she dey enter different cars. How be say she dey sell? I'm just into cars. That's why if I carry a girl, she go ask, what does it do? I say, come down. Don't ask me anything. For any information you want to use on your next customer, come down, idiot. That's why now, but first of all, guys, let me just give you this secret. If you have a car and you get plenty keys attached to that one car key, your key bundle pass 45 keys. No girl go near you. Oh, you have a big bundle of keys for your waist. You can't go club, put the top of them. Baby, the key gonna go like tambourine. The only girl said, please, what's that? Oh, my car key, gate key, generator key, compact key, toilet key, cupboard key, Indomie cupboard key, gate man key, my small cupboard in the room key. Wait, even if you be jailer, then you pack that plenty key for one car. Then you go put one long chain, one chain for your waist. In case they won't take that single key, they take your waist. Big men, one single key, big boy. Don't carry single key, no key holder, nothing. If they take them, you call insurance. Hello. Big man always a laugh. Nothing they go through, you must laugh. What are in bank accounts they think of? I don't know. I've just robbed the game. They took my car, idiots. Okay, send one down. Okay. Poor man. Oh! They don't think they want to forgive me. Then if I don't get life, it better. My children go to the car, they hustle. They take the car. Oh! He go roll enter express. Oh God, come on, you want to knock you. Me want to kill me. I get motor before. I get. They can't say that want to kill me. Wow! Poor man was shout. Single key. Big boys, you don't enter club with your single key. Put on top table, bam. You see the girls, so everyone like, oh my God, is that the G-Wagon limited edition? Because they see big car, they get assets. I don't understand that. If not cab man, they speak to you. Alpha, where do they go? You they go? Okay. But if they see the car, oh my gosh, really? Really? Like, oh my gosh. Like, no cars. So now, everybody they scam each other for Lagos. Boys, you know they buy car. Who will scam ourselves time? Not to scam me, scam. They don't go buy khaki, they're not fish out. They're not getting, but they don't buy khaki. As they enter club, then they spray iron your shirt. First of all, a girl tell me, say, sometimes it's easy to know if the guy drove. I say, how? Girls too sharp. They say when the guy they talk, say, you know, I've been in traffic driving. They don't look back of his shirts. If the shirt's smooth, let me say, not sit down. They fly Okada, so nothing squeeze the shirts. So boys like they come club, then they go to toilet, they increase. One person they squeeze the shirts, they're not there. It was come on myself. Single key on top table. We all see the girls, we just enter. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Is that one of yours? That's the limited edition, the range 2017, right? You see the guy. It's one of mine. Oh really? Well, let's see, they tell our friends, Tonya, I'm gonna hook up with you guys, okay? I see ya. I'm good here, alright? Alright, catch ya. Sharp guy, as you get one order. Then they stand up, baby, let's go. That's how much. No, where I parked is far. So let's just go. And now so far, what's that? You guys still speak English the first 15 minutes. So, where did you really park? That was a France. When I came, no space here, so France. 1 hour later, we came out to come back home. My brother, where did you really park, please? Just be frank, we are human beings. Open up to me, where did you park? You see the guy? We are almost there. It's very close. 3 hours later, the guy that is sweat. She don't pull her eyes, pull her for hands. Pull her wig. From what waist trainer. Now with tears, she dey beg again. If you not get motor, you not get motor. In front, we have been trekking 3 hours. Even if I get crazy, I go don't cure. If you don't get sister, you don't get mama. You don't get conscious. The guy goes, without the chance. Ladies and gentlemen, GH, thank you for having me.
No wonder. Guess the boy sweating. K1
Freestyle all day,
some classic lifestyle, man.
let go.
K1 in the mix.
Got more flows, life's really good, maybe you don't know. Here the super stay low. We have got glow, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to choose life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes. Cause to test and try, overcome separately.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for a good show tonight? Show some love, make your love, come on. Ever upon that something, I'll get you. So you see the direction, I said, oh, boss, your money for. I got you that. Then he turned around, why is the money? I said, your father's money. Don't you also understand my language? I don't know, everything is so annoying. And when you're chasing that girls, it's the busiest thing ever. Especially when you introduce them to other guys. That moment they forget to speak English. Oh, Sally, what's up? I meet my sweetheart, she's mousy. What did you speak? English. The moment you introduce, meet my mousy. I'm fine. When they forget you, no man, and then the girl is like, what are you talking about? Oh, you say you're a good guy. And do you have the NDC and MVP folks here? Please, can we inform His Excellency John Mahama that he is not incompetent and he shouldn't take offense too much? Did you see him on that day on the recording? I'll take this from Kufo. I'll take this. What is this? What is the name of this? I'll take this from Kufo. I'll take this from one incompetent Mahama. incompetent Mahama. That moment he realized he was the president. So he can't say anything more. If he wasn't this, he probably would have said something like this. Incompetent Mahama. Incompetent Mahama. Do what she does. But he's the president. So he couldn't say it. Sometimes I imagine what if Dawama and Babda in the same classroom? And then you know both of them are from the north. So they're all killers. And then Babda is in the washroom and then Dawama is going, hey, Mama is entering the washroom. He'll kill Babda. Once he entered, about me, when you are very well, I ain't competent to one on that. I feel on Adam. You're sorry. I'll do what she. My father, shall be to me. I swear, Babda, come on. Hey, what did he do to you? No, Mama, he didn't do anything. He's incompetent. And MVP folks, let me do you know the problem?
Let me set my
Your followers are too educated, they are easy to convince. Have you ever tried to convince an NDC follower before? Yeah. You pour water on stones. When you're convincing an NDC, like what your government was, it's true, yeah. And the fiscal policy was supposed to borrow too much. It was supposed to increase exports. Yeah, I think my government didn't do well. Yeah. That same thing. Tell it to an NDC person. Oh, you're physical. By the effort, they buy a good effort. Why?
Oh, you're getting somebody's Yes.
And lastly, to my favorite pastor in Ghana. He's my favorite pastor and fashion icon. The bishop. How can you say that with Danny Jata and I just as Danny people and then you feel you're trying to never Danny or what? Hey! He confidently said, make me Danny baby, make me Danny or what? Make me Danny grandma or baby walk. We were having power crisis. Why didn't he turn himself into a power badge? So that we know he's of use. But you see, some of you are now playing obeying. Look, in Jesus' time, he was doing things that was blowing people's mind. They didn't believe him. Later, they got to know that he's a true Messiah. What if obeying is a true Messiah? You might not know. And Jesus died yesterday. So what if obeying was supposed to die for us? And then Judas comes and tells the Roman soldiers, the one that will kiss is the one that will be crucified. Then he comes closer. Obin is gangster. Judas, I'm not catching you. I believe that I'm not so cheap to say. We need some catch up, Pepe, Jimmy. Self-enough, better man, sorry again. On the first one. But evolution says we came from animals. We started as particle, fish, to tilapia, to chicken dog, to chimpanzees, to human. So we moved from fish to human. Maybe we can move from human back to animal, but we don't know. And maybe the being has discovered his capability. We don't know. If you look at it, imagine people are turning into things. Do you think the first stage will turn into? I believe the first stage can turn into like a Tanzanian chimpanzee. You know the way they make noise in their body? I think so. But somebody said this word to me that he can change to anything he wants, but you should be very careful where and how he changes. Because if he goes to a certain region and turns to Akantie, he will be a person. To no, the women in Akantie, let's go by here, he shouldn't die the water region. Because the true cat, you go there and you want to turn it to cat, everyone will welcome you. Hey, if you come and see a minimum, they have come to the fatality. They stole our toy, they haven't stolen the book, we are very strong. Come, change it to a cat, I'll use you as my pet. But where I want to warn you massively is the top. Imagine he does a revival in Sabsubu Katani. After the revival, he comes backstage. We are not there. And I feel, Daniel confirm. Then the person, Daniel confirm. It was a African brother, Daniel confirm. We need the answer on Lord. No boy. That's what people every day enemies are looking for them. Enemies them come, they run away. But you're still standing there. The ridiculous people. Show us one more time for our play. An old man of his age, he's taking the girls away. I just hope his stroke doesn't come. And you girls are there taking the girls away. To give it out to a couple of random faces. I see Hogan, you said to the Hogan. I see Akpororo. Akpororo, when would you talk gentle? What if you're having sex? Your breath is for breath next. You finished me on radio. I've just been quiet. This guy, Akpororo told me, you can follow my body on Instagram and follow my head on Facebook. I felt like I was a dinosaur. Where is Buchi? If I find him, he's dead. Looking like a corporate boy. Doesn't say anything sensible. I'll finish you. Random music. Ghana girls, who are fair? And then, let me get it. Let me get it. To me, a dollar again. Let me get it. Let me get it. Linda, let me get it. Whatever. I've been waiting to say this. That girl, Sarah Kobna or Sarah Kwame, leave her somewhere alone. You are 20. How many years is it? 21, 22? People are vying for member of parliament position at 21, 22. You are in a hurry to take as someone just dollars. Did you see her so-called sex tape? Even Kim Kardashian will not be proud. And you think you take somebody all with this nonsense? Do not let you go. Hey, sorry. Let me dash. Okay, so Accra City is on. Accra City Hotel, that's a senior player, Jan. He's our incoming coach of the Black Stars. And that's where you see discipline in the Black Stars. Then we praise and the time back Random. Oh, Sally. Oh my God. Hey, Clarence, where's my money? Your hair never grew. Why? You lack vitamin H. Listen, I'm lodging at Accra City Hotel. It's an amazing place. Usually when you go for a hotel, you see the floor, tile, or regular carpet. This is a carpet. I don't know how it is, but it's an emotional carpet. Oh yeah, when you step on it, you can hear the carpet comfort you. Yeah. Oh baby. Go and try it. If you go, you don't have a girl, you can have a good time on the carpet. Into an environmentalist. You come with all sort of leaves. Ladies, why are you evil? Why? It's true. Do you know why women are that wicked? Because they're the only people who can contain the highest level of pain in the history of mankind, childbirth. When they contain that pain, that's your small pain is nothing to them. Men, I don't know why men can't stand pain like this. I don't know. Even an ant like, a woman, I'm fine. How many ants by you? Oh, like 32. Next, I call her the princess. Wait, let me remind you, this is Lord of the Rings 2016 edition. Let me run through the people who helped us make this possible. And I haven't introduced myself to, oh, hello. My name is Akpororo. Okay. Now, further on the show, we'll have Buchi from Nigeria, we'll have Akpororo, we'll have the man on fire, Bovi, and then we'll have... You see how relaxed he was? Excuse me, do me a favor, please. Get out of here, man. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Get out of here for real. Really? He was talking about accents. Ghanaians, our tongue is not strong. Do you know people in Africa who have the strongest tongue? It's Nigerians. You can never influence a Nigerian with your accent. If you like, come to America, hey, what's up, man? How you doing? I did cool now, what's it? Like, come on, synchronize. You find a Ghanaian, hey, what's up, how you doing? I'm cool. You know right, how's it going? It's going, nope. Nigerians will never leave the accent. Stop me if I lie. And then you can be speaking good Ghanaian English. How you doing? You go right there, it's nice. We have a good time on the show. Once Nigerian come in, have fun. Come on, challenge with you. Good things. You lose your accent. And one thing I hate is Ghanaians trying to pick up American accents. And then they hear the R and they abuse the R on anything. You know Americans and their R. Whatever, however, you know what I'm saying, it's getting better. Ghanaians will everything. One thing, hey, to show supper. You're right, I'm alright. Well, yeah, from Wild Cherry, you know what I'm saying? It's good, We're moving on quickly. There's one fella with a song, and it's a very interesting song. You know, usually women say, guys break their hearts, guys broke their hearts. You know. This time, he's highlighting what society has covered for a long time. A lady breaking his heart. And ladies, why is it break her heart so painful like that? A lady can break her heart, you turn into a gym estate. Somebody gets with me, 6 months time, it's much one. He was from China, you know, if I break my heart, I lay down there straight. When you see, let me tell you, you know when you're pumping the gym, your breath makes noise. No, the broken heart people, they have a different... It's a different one thing. And look, a woman can break the heart, you will turn into a man of God straight. What's up with you and Abigail? Listen, the days of fornication are past. Right, moving on. So, he's here to highlight the fact that ladies also take us through the mail. And I mean, he's got some very great response when he released the song. It goes like, you're great breaking me. You're breaking me. You're great breaking me. You know the lines? Jay, no bad break on you. How? Jay, no bad break on you.
No wonder.
Guess the boy swapping.
K1.
Freestyle all day,
Some classic lifestyle, man.
Let go. K1 in the mix. All day, got more flows. Life's really good, maybe you don't know. You don't know, here the super stay low. We have got glow, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to true life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes. Close to test and try it with...
Hey, not be smarting. No, seriously, I do tell people, if you know that you have mouth odor, don't shout in the morning. These two guys wake up singing that. All the mic they smell. I don't know what to do. And you know say that two things go they smell for their body, their mouth and their hair. Because you need to put different spray. I don't want to. My blood is hot. See that one couple cloth. say you don't get 6 pack, you don't get, you put cloth. It's something I say they promote cloth from wood. But all is well, all is well. Please, can you put your hands together for them? I enjoy the song, right? Okay, I bring you greetings from Nigeria. This is your boy Akpororo. They're coming up with too much swag and too much anointing. I'm putting on suit. To make you feel that I'm normal. But within me, I know I'm not okay. So we go straight to comedy. I do tell people, if I crack joke and you don't laugh, it's not that I'm not funny. But it's not that your problem is bigger than my ability to make you to laugh. So you don't need a comedian, you need a pastor. I was in a church in Nigeria when the man of God said, turn to your neighbor and tell your neighbor what happened to me will happen to you. We started looking at ourselves. Some people will look at the neighbor, what happened to me will happen to you. What happened to me will happen to you. What happened to me? When I turn, look my neighbor, the bandage he had. I was forced to tell the guy, say, my brother, what happened to you will happen to you again. Accident is not my portion, you will not see me. The man of God said, talk to your next neighbor and tell your neighbor something new will happen to you now. But worry. Anybody when they sit down here, hold your phone, oh. You cannot get phone, hold your lap. Then the thief lap now, hold lap. Yeah. I look at the worry boy and say, my brother, something new will happen to you now. And the worry boy laugh. Now he reply me, you mean now? I don't understand. Brethren, in all these 2 minutes, my phone lost. Now I hold the guy, so we go die here, we go die for this place. Church, their church. You know, normally, just like Francis Ortega, many people won't laugh, but because they are mad or they are not feeling, feel free. Anybody sit down here, you know, say your man must smell this time. Not be you do yourself. In Nigeria, one man of God just work out and say, we are doing the program 3 days. The theme of the program is called Operation No Brushing. Man of God said, no, not brush for 3 days. Imagine. I know say Nigerians would they like suya. And Nigeria, you see where people they order, they chop suya. When you carry get come on baby eat now, the guy go they shop meat. You see the guy, the big onion and pepper. You say, you don't need meat. He said, no, I want to see fat. I like. After people know that the 3rd day we reach church, the man of God say, are you ready? We say yes. And the man of God say, ushers, lock the door, give me the key. And from then on we know say it don't happen. We are stand in nothing. I just see one guy walk up past me. And you know say that kind, for that kind point, you will a dodge neighbor. The guy just stand near me. The guy not talk. Now breathe. As the thing passed me, then I said, we hear earphone. I don't know when I look, I said, my brother, now your mouth with that. The guy said, I saw we say, I beg no verse. You drink suck away juice. Why your mouth they smell like that? He said, I saw we say. The man of God said, now talk to your neighbor and tell your neighbor, God bless you. Now the guy look me. I sweat. You don't think anyway your mouth was strong. If you want to sleep all night, you don't need mosquito for your raid. Now just to enter your house, do like this. You go see mosquito, they carry load, they go to your neighbor's house and don't die. Who be this? He not tell the man of God say, can you talk to your neighbor and do your neighbor like this? Now the guy give me as he give me I faint. The man of God said, the Lord is walking over there. Ushers, bring that brother forward. Bring it forward. As they carry me come from that man of God say, I need 3 brothers to join me so that we can do together for this brother to come back to life. I just open one eye. Now see the same guy where bloody breeze. He walk out the corner. Now let me next time I say, Pastor, don't worry. If you have not make I go die, you love and don't make some noise. Engineer, I still need more volume here. Give me volume. You know say suit one here. I don't wear the suit, but you know say I wear suit. Normally, no hot cleaning. And the way you take the hot. Even as they say to the collect section, the sweet. If the collect section for this kind eat, you're not to do yourself. When this lady they crack joke, I forget your name, man, novice. I love your size. What's the name again? Chichi. What's your name? Don't let me first. Sister waiting. Sister Jetinta. Together. Buchi not throw a home. Don't think I'm not going to throw my home. Bovi, oh yeah. No. I feel they free now. When did they cry joke, I don't they call and they look at. You know they go a fat. I don't love fat girls. No best. I'll tell you my mind. I don't like fat girls. Why? Because when you deal with them for house for night, when I want get good time, you understand. Sometimes before they turn to give you another style, it take time. Normally they go, hey, hey, I said, baby, can you turn for me? You don't tire, but slim girls, slim ladies, slim ladies, if you do with them, yeah. Even though landlord they knock your door, you feel career, who did that? Landlord, I come, I'm busy, I come, I'm busy. No joke, I have a friend in Nigeria. The guy know they like to pay runs, babe. I guess in Ghana girls, yeah, una runs, babe, they cost. I confirmed my yesterday. We go one year club, I know what call the name. I asked one girl, how much for a morning? Because not be night, we did after 3. She looked me, tell me, say $300. When the way dollar take high for my country, I need to check the money. I mean, that's, you know what it costs? $300. I don't understand. What did they? Now I know what did they try to tell me now? Say after collect session, I'll go put me here. Any music 1 year, I go here. So you change, baby selling you. Change, fracked one. Eh? 3 and more price. And I'm tell myself, I say lie. For what? One Nigerian boy pay care for Nigeria. People will not they pay money well. Now they suffer guest pass. Big men, they not get it. When they don't pay money, $1,000, $2,000. When did I reach herself? Baby, go and take your shower. Before you come back. But when poor man pay you, and ladies, when they do runs, listen to me, hello. Any man where they like me, when they want to carry you, collect better money. Any man when she say not get bonbon, yeah, they always they loaded. Don't kill before you try. Collect money in advance. Money you take to hospital, take collect drugs, everything. You can see the guy stand like this. Hey, how's the guy? Almost for him night. And the guy answer, hello. You meet me? The guy say yes. The guy say 120,000. The thing don't hold the guy. Now look at him. More they go. Now when they reach house, then they collect session. The guy don't stay for 1 hour. Now the guy they answer, baby, are you coming now? Now the guy answer again. Come here. How much you want collect? The guy say 120. The guy say, hey, now here we go die. I'm not get future. I'm useless. Now here we. Some people don't like that. So you just need to check. And now, I don't know how your churches here share their testimony. I don't know how they do it. But for Nigeria, if you're there for VI, you hope they share testimony. It's different. VI in English, when you expect the girls. The testimony time overcome. You just see the girl. Oh, Sister Tracy, can you tell us a testimony? I say, oh. I said, praise the Lord, church. I said, praise the Lord, church. You go, yeah, hallelujah. In fact, I want to bless the name of the Lord for everything I've been doing for me. God has been faithful to me. Has been turning me around. In the sweet. But I get some place for Lagos. When you go Coco, yeah, they stay. They know they speak English. Now broken. And the testimony always start with cry. Any testimony will start with cry. They take time. And sometimes what did they cry for? You know they get help. You know, say they talk about Lassa fever. Lassa fever, they say rat. You need to they might. Now so they talk about Nigeria, say rat or this one, this one. So that's how they make the news. Say rat the key. Maybe they are shit or Because here in Nigeria that they bet rat as pet. Your own rat, you know they let her go your neighbor house. Because you not be the one where your neighbor house gets the Lassa fever. May not go give your rat. So if they pet your rat, they keep them, they give her food well, shop well, don't go outside. Relax there, you will enjoy. Everybody. Now this guy. Then you call the woman. Say, Mama, Mama to say your testimony. Do my your start with. Any cry where they shake. No say now now. I can come out. She hold on. We don't get the 30 minutes, we dey wait. She never talk anything. Now cry. You know the way women they do that, so let them touch herself. This is the way they are sitting around and I say serious. After 45 minutes, what do you go here? Church. The rats that went in my house won't kill me. Now you don't waste our time for. She continued. So the rat that went in my house. I don't try to kill them, they're not they die. I go buy that rat. When they sight, if they get hook, when they cut trap, I go buy them. If my rats they run reach where the trap they go hold wood, they go jump. They're not like me. The fish what they put there, they use wood. Drop the fish, come on, they go shop. I don't do, they're not do. That's the one, but I go back. Rat poison when they are spada. This one they go shop. They go dry, they not go smell. I go buy them. As I buy them, I buy vegetable things. I cook vegetable soup. Say 1 a.m. in the midnight, now I go do the job so that they go be shopper. Die before morning. Hey! I cook so finish. 12:30 I wake up, I said I walk up from my room, go kitchen. Hey! I come out a pig. Because most times that kind of time. For inside my house, that rat. Then the whole remote they shine for TV. I know they get pigs, I know they get pigs on the house, I know they get pigs. As I come out, I got the snakes small, they go kitchen, say make a dance, go shake them. Hey! Church, the vegetable soup was cooked. Fresh vegetable soup. Church as a rich kitchen, Pastor! As a rich kitchen, I never see where rats, they stand with 2 legs before. I see rats stand with 2 legs. He carried the poison one water killer and they pour for the soup. When you hear this testimony, you don't go tired. There's a same testimony they different. But then the way the TV that and church they move. In the sweet. Now they go and see somebody speak in tongues. Somebody use the tongues at the temple. Normally you sort of wait for Holy Spirit to teach you how to speak in tongues. Some people don't want to wait. Some want to teach Holy Spirit. No, hold on, I'll teach you. For church, for Lagos. Good morning, Lagos, we know they get peace. Now, I don't know if they don't for Ghana. For Lagos, Lagos, Abuja, in the work. That's of your culture, go say, open your mouth. Open your mouth, and the Lord will fill it up. In the work. But worry, that scripture not the work. The first woman will say, open your mouth, and the Lord will fill it up. For worry, don't see worry boys. All of them do like this. We don't think like that for 10 minutes. 2 worry boys when they discuss. Ogale. Anything don't tell your mouth. We go die here, not enter our matter. We go die. Yo. They need to beg them. So we never want us. And then Ghana here. As I come yesterday, I need to go church Good Friday. If you hear the tongues for you, so the man of us, are you ready to speak? We say yes. He said we are going to speak in tongues for 3 hours. 3 hours. You know who else was we sabi speak? As I told look my neighbor, I won't go. My neighbor hold me. Say my brother, we are just starting. I said, I won't go. I just come here. I won't go back. He said, no, you pray the prayer. The man of us, are you ready? At the count of 3. At the count of 3. You speak. At the count of 3. You speak. 1, 2, 3. Everybody enter labor. Su. So. Labo. Eka. No. 5 minutes. Reka. Epa. Esa. Oka. 10 minutes. Labor. 15. In tongues are they finish. People can't repeat the tongues. When to the end. 20 minutes. You know they hear anybody get to the end. We don't pray for 30 minutes. He get one guy, the guy don't let you go talk again. The guy just shouted, na me. I say, na me na Ghana name. What will be your problem? It does not be by force. You not sabi, you not sabi. We not go kill ourselves. Not kill us. You not just sabi speak. And some guys go say they use for now, as in lay, say, loba, su. Ghana girls say, no joke. I can't prepare for it now. Today. You know you love this waist. Sit down for you. As we close. Oh God, not point you. As we sit down there. Because the way you take happy look me. Now be you asking me sit down. Now take me play. You find my waist come, I go kill you before your time. Not take me play. You know that? I tell people, Nigeria, hey, I don't perform one day, I say, I tear. One guy just come meet me, for where they take water. The next one, hello, baby. I said, I got go kill you. You are big like this, happy baby. Don't take me blow, my blood is hot. Don't take me play. But normally, you know, say waste they talk. I make some guys, when you see where they rehearse, women, you need to come to God. You understand? You need to, because everything don't be fake. Everything when they use that are fake. So women now, things we don't rain pass, they don't change them again, they wear. You get what they call body magic now. You go press your belly. That thing before, they call them Okbarive, for worry. People will just don't finish and then they wear them to adjust belly. Now that they wear them, you go see girls go wear them. They think they hold their voice. When they don't wear them, people answer, Tracy, how you doing? What you doing now? I'm fine. Are you okay? Yes. Are you going down? Yes. Now when the guy walk out, she reaches and she come out and you go hear her voice. And she come out again now. Who sent you? Who sent you? Who sent you? You love Akpororo. Make some noise in here.
No wonder. Guess the boy swapping. K1.
Freestyle all day,
Some classic lifestyle, man.
Let go. K1 in the mix. Got more flows. Life really good, maybe you.
I don't wait tired. I come show yesterday, they performed today. That's one. Now yesterday they pay me for. I don't wait tired. I did get the beg people where they go say come back. I go perform. So I want to thank all of you that waited behind. I don't say I don't laugh. I don't tire well. Just try. Things what I want to talk, they're funny. It's funny. But who don't tire, I know they too laugh. But any which way. Because Jesus died yesterday, we'll have fire today. We'll collect the keys of life and death. I've been observing backstage, man. Ghanaians, you guys are crazy. I like you people for one thing. When they follow anywhere tight, low go. Anywhere. I dey watch. Akpororo they crack a shower joke. Una dey laugh. The next thing he say praise and worship. Una follow. When una die, devil go drag una body, God go drag una body. Say he was promoting us, You understand? Anyway, Joe Blue go una just. Me look, I dey observe some guys were here, they were not happy. Akpororo come here, one knock job. It gets into praise and worship. A guy don't book room this night. Next thing the girl will say, no, I'm touched. That session I can't. That is the vex. Observing all the performance and everything. Better girl, Irene. How you doing? Nice song, nice outfit. But you know say she not pass here. Like say now when you don't come to show you come realize say you're scared too short. The anything will let you come here. When they dance, they sing. You see men we sit down up, I don't call like that. Nice view. You know? Francis Odega. Get out of here, man. Wanna clap for this guy. These are one of the pioneers of stand-up comedy in Nigeria. I know you people don't know, he's one of the first people in Night of 1,000 Laughs. He don't hustle. You know easy. You know what it is to hustle more than 20 years? Only one line, you drop blue. Get out of here, man. Any day they talk, I'm even inside church. He's about 65. Oh, sorry, 67. Yeah, it's crazy, man. When I even try, people came out for show. But I say, when I don't fear, we enter rich hotel, then they use a bomb detector, they check car. Ghana way peaceful. Only when I use my hand, they find waiting or they find me. And they look them, they laugh. See their short bomb detector, they stand near the car. So if you come there, they think coming, big, where do you want to go? Come Nigeria, our bomb detector, they long. They short. Check from afar. Then we got here backstage, the security when they put there, they tell them these are the artists. They say, no, we have to check. The guy they check, they press my ash. I said, eh? Crazy, man. It's crazy. You guys try. When I be fear because Nigeria's economy now is in shambles. You know, dollar just go up. People will come for Christmas, not if you go back. They still in Lagos. Can't return back to Yankee or UK. When they come show, buy ticket. Everybody don't lock up for Lagos now. Nobody they spend. Chairman with the dash us money, not the dash again. Normally for show like you see chairman, you say hey, chairman, I hey, you go your blink like 2 times. Bing bing. That 2 times where you blink now $20,000. So. Bing bing. Now you look there, chairman ahead, and they look you back. No blinking. No blinking. It's that bad. People are being laid off. Fire them, even entertainers. Now only few entertainers still go. I hire bodyguard now. Pay only in first salary December, January nothing. Tell them say don't worry, the economy will pick up. And they go club like this, they bounce, they enter, whiskey and the entourage, they pass. As I don't pass and they go and they look back. My bodyguard don't they follow up. He said, Wheezy, don't worry, you are safe. Abandon me. Now the girls are not smiling, guys are not smiling. Even guys who don't hook here and accents until they get girls. Enter club, yo baby, what's up, baby, you okay? For the girl in mind, he just returned. Nothing. One guy deceive one girl, carry the girl enter house, carry and go club, meet for them, toast her, she agree, use English, say, man, you know what I'm saying? Come on, take him home with me. They reach outside. She said, where's your car? He said, man, you know, I just got back. Let's take a taxi. Get home, we sort it out, okay? She said, okay. They enter taxi, reach house. guy they look at, she they look at me. They look at, she they look at me. She said, Ben, I said, oh man, you know, I just got back. I got dollars all over my pocket. Benjamin's baby, I don't got Naira, don't worry, pay. I'll sort you out. She said, okay. They enter house, no lights. She said, put on your generator. I said, oh babe, you know, I just got back. All that noise, I can't deal. In the US, we don't got generators. I can't deal with that noise. Let's, you know, use candles, like a romantic dinner. She said, okay. They chop. They enter room. She wants shower, no water. I said, your shower is not much. She said, girl, you know, I just got back. I can't be paying bills when I'm not here. Don't worry, there's a well downstairs. Let's go fetch some water, you know? Have our back, African style, like the ice bucket challenge. And then the girl look and say, talk well. Talk well before I shout. So what you saying? I talk well, I go shout down. Say, okay, now we will. Take it easy. Job not, money not there anywhere. Even I can tell girls for Lagos now, say, this one there's no money. No, not tell one guy, say, take me out for lunch. Take you out. Oh, I want to go shopping. Take you shopping. Oh, my car is bad. Can you come and pick me and drop me and carry you? Let's go and see movie. And I go see movie. Or end up for a house. After 3 weeks of expenditure. You know they get those excuses when they come up with. You can't see girls they come up with excuse, say, slow down. Let's take it one step at a time. Which step we jump? Tell me we do that step. The most annoying one is, I've taken you like a brother. I tell you, sir, I don't know my family. Taking me like a brother. You know? Another annoying excuse is, any man I sleep with will not make it in life. They go want to threaten me. I say, baby, I've made it already. What to do? One girl, do me. She, no excuse again, and she can't say the truth is that if I sleep with you, I will hate you. I will not pick your call. I will never answer you again. Okay. No need to argue, okay. And the funny part is some of these girls when they form like this, when you enter a relationship, now they will call the love pass. Love, turn to monitoring spirit. Anyway, you go take call with another girl, they go just call you, pick, hello. Who is that you are dancing with? You say, stop looking back, I'm not there. Serious connection, they see you everywhere. And they tell guys, don't share Wi-Fi with your girl. Don't share Wi-Fi. They'll go like if your girl say, I'm traveling. You go touch, go hotel. You don't enter car, hold la phone, they drive around all the hotel. As your Wi-Fi network enter, it's here. So she's gonna walk out room to room, they find the network. She reach the door, the thing go full. Say, cock. So I'm not the share Wi-Fi again. It's crazy, man. Because when a girl is angry, man, they say hell hath no fury. Provoke, shout. That's why I like our African girls. Our quarrel is different from Oyibo. But the annoying part is many of you all have started behaving like these American girls. You go quarrel. You see Oyibo girls go quarrel. They go just tell the guy, you know what? Who's Jennifer? You're not going to say who Jennifer is? You're sleeping on the couch tonight. My girl go tell me. You're sleeping on the couch. I said, where did that? I didn't even understand. She said, sleep on the couch. I said, the bed spoiled. Tell him, no. The one way can make me laugh. Pack your bag and leave the house. Which house? My house? Pack your bag and leave. Who are you? Oprah Winfrey? How much you get? Pack. Another thing girls do is, those girls when they get temper, when they destroy, some guys say they don't experience that. You know those girls when they fight, when they vex, you know the big things they break. They don't ever fight for their house. Now your house. I date one like that, so I'm not a quarrel with her. If we did my house, we say, you are a bastard, you are an idiot. Because if I mistakenly say, I will do. What did you say? Plasma screen. And now they talk till we reach our house. 2 days later, we just say, hey, you call me bastard, come. What did you mean? She said, go provoke. I mean, look, my house, we'll keep her. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's go out. Let's go to your place and say, don't talk the matter here. Let's settle it here and now. Women get angry. When some women get angry like this, you know, say, man, demon possess them. But it's better to date a woman that is possessed by demons than a woman that is possessed by man. So yes. You know, say, for Yankee, a normal thing now. But they did get, you know, not saying a transgender. And they ask for childhood pictures now. I see your childhood pictures. I'm just curious. I want to see what it was like growing up. They'll call and say, why is it only low cut you have? Do you know what it's like? Say you did tramp, you don't know. That one day we start, because that man traced the dead body. Stop it, Bovi, stop it. I don't like it, stop it, stop it. I said stop it! Oh, you deal with baby. No pin you, now they mean no. She can't pin you. You know when they change, they change their strength from man on to woman. Can't pin you on top of the bed. Sit down on top. Don't whisper for her. I have a secret to tell you. Where you did, you go to struggle. Leave me first. No. Guess what? He used to be a man. Can you remove your former dick from me? Pin you down there. The worst thing you will ever experience is to get into a fight with a former man. Transgender. You know, so you know they know. They push you down. Deal with you in this relationship. Deal with it. Look, you're a woman. Don't let me hit you. I'll deal with you. Okay, you want to do me? Come. She give you one man blow. Boom. You know they ask, who are you? They say, who are you? Who are you? Because you know what hit you, man? It's not ordinary. Who are you? But I personally prefer gays to transgender because that one you didn't know from beginning. And I want to use this opportunity to apologize to any woman who I don't toast, we're not there in the mood. I'm sorry. You know why? Gays now have rights. Once you travel abroad, they have rights to toast you as a man. And you have to be civil. You know, if you go take any, they have gay rights. So you watch what you say. So now, when you as a man are not there in the mood, now I know what those women what they toast we don't want. Our body they do now. Sorry. Anybody do here want toast like that? Here you nearly raise your hand. Do you know what it's like? You take bar for Lagos, guy just come meet you say, "What kind of kid can I buy you a drink?" The response is, "Get out of there, you faggot, idiot, bastard, gay, homosexual." When you try it abroad, you are finished. So with a day back, then now I know what women they go through. Because you see that our excuses now they sound like Unao. Guy will just come. "You look kind of kid, can I buy you a drink?" "No, thank you." "Are you sure? What you doing tonight?" "I'm not alone. My boyfriend went to..." "Your boyfriend? I mean my girlfriend went to the toilet." "Okay, maybe I could call you up sometime." "Don't worry, give me your card, I will call you." We don't change up now, we behave like them. It's crazy, it's crazy. See, women get power. Women have power. I fear every woman. When a woman tells you, you will see, you will see. It no matter who she be, you go see. I have seen cases, one of the families with the most powerful set of women, the Kardashian and Jenner clan. You know, so those women rugged, from their mama down. Rugged. Every man we don't pass through them. The guy, career the die. No quick count them. Nick Cannon, he did Kim Kardashian. French Montana, where they hustle. Reggie Bush, former basketballer. Chris Humphries, former basketballer. Lemar Odom, former basketballer. Ashawu has nearly died the other day. See Scott Disick, Courtney husband. As they break up, the guys start to drunk, they misbehave. See, you know, see Kanye West? That one, they all look and say, okay, we not feel reckon, more make and Chris. We join Twitter. Even their mother, original Kardashian, her husband died of throat cancer. Enough he chop, enough he drink water. The throat block, he died. Now waiting Bruce Jenner look, say, if you can't beat them, you join them. And the guy switch completely. But you know, the most powerful woman in the world, my world, she died in January. My mom, my sweet mom. January, she just pegged like that. Christian woman. I took her to the airport on Sunday, Monday. She not sick. I look, say, Mama, good woman like that. She was just 58. Mama died. Erara, yes, still alive. Not be smart, you know. I explain tire. Different people. The bad thing about when you lose somebody that you will tell the same story over 1,000,000 times. What happened? Was she sick? No. So what happened? I took her to the airport, she got on the plane. When she landed, she had a heart attack and she died. Now, I don't tell you. Why not go tell other people? Now then they go call other people, say, she died, come. Come on. Nothing happened, she wasn't sick. I took her to the airport, she got on the plane, she landed, she had a heart attack and she died. The two of them, they said, Che! Sorry. How far now? What if Mama died? Come. See, you remember John? John say sorry, what did happen? I talked to one point, if I see them, they come from far, they say she's not sick. I took her to the airport, she entered plane, she get heart attack, she died. I did explain that, you know? And then, when this thing happened, I now realized why some people cry, they differ. Mama died like this, I mean, they cry. I was devastated. But you know, you get the kind of thing that they give you. Just come, stop crying, it's okay. Let me know what the burial plans are like, But just use this check to hold your side first. Sasia. It's okay, I understand. You'll call it a philosophical. Everything calm down. I received check to the point I can't look my papa. And how body they do you? Sound fine, you sure? I know you miss her. Anything you do now is fine. I won't kill her joy. At the graveside, at the cry, they hold me. That is I want job better. Even me for my mind, I want job better. I say, let me die. Let me die. This life is useless. I cannot live this life again. There's no use. No, not be small beg. I say, leave me, they hold me. One man just walk out, just push check for my hand. I look at 10 million. I say, it is where, go where. I will continue your legacy for me. Yeah. On a final note, my mom, I know say when she died, she was shocked because get things what they do where she don't know as a human being. She don't know. But now, as she don't die, don't turn to saints, she dey see everything. Only me go mistake, praise God, make her my guardian angel. What's mistake? I don't do it. She don't appear. Get up. There you're close. Pull that rubber. Go home, go and meet your wife. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long night. You gotta go now.
No wonder.
Thank you so much for having us.
This boy struggling. K1
Style out there.
some classic lifestyle, man.
Let go. K1 in the mix. All day, got more flows. Life's really good, maybe you don't know. You don't know, yeah, that's if I stay low. We have got dough, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to choose life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes. Cause to test and try,